Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you how to create a Java project, a package, a class, and how to run it, and also the formatting and the documentation of a project. Okay, so first I would create a folder. So this is what I would do so that all your projects will be in the same place and it will be easier to find. So create a new folder and whatever you want to call it, I will call it COSC programming project. Okay. And then go to your Eclipse and switch to this workspace. So your default workspace is always the Eclipse workspace, but it's difficult to find. So I would go to File, switch Workspace, and go to Other. And this is my current workspace, and you will switch to whichever folder you like, right? You just create it. I just created this folder, so I will click on this one and select folder. And this will exit Eclipse and restart. So once it's restarted, it will have the new workspace. I'm going to launch. So when I launched Eclipse, it's like this. You can read all this, but I will just close it. Okay. And here you have this view. You have this package, a package explorer view. So, and now if you go to your workspace and see where you are, go to other, and this is your current workspace. That's the folder we just created. Okay, cancel. So let's create a project. You go to File, New, oops, and Java project. Make sure it's Java project, not project. Your project can be multiple words with space because it's a folder name. So I will say my Java project and just leave everything as default and finish. And module name, you don't care about this, so you don't create. And now if you click on this to expand, you have two folders. This is the system folder that will run your program. And this is the source folder, source code, which will contain your program, your code. So right click on that and go to new. Always create a package. Do not use the default package. So I will just say simple program, okay? And so here is the package, and right click on the package and go to new and go to class. And your class name should be in camel case, which means you capitalize the initial letter of each word. Okay, and no space. It's one word. So I will click on this so that you do not have to type it and finish. So now you have the program, the skeleton, the structure of the program. Okay, now before I go on, I want to show you if you happen to close this or you don't have it. For example, I can close it. And now I don't see it. And you will say, where do I find my source file? You will go to Window, go to Show View, and then look at all the view. This is the console view, which will show you the running, the execution, and go to Package Explorer. Okay, that will show you this view. So if you lose it, just go there and find it. Now let's write the program. Okay, this is the program I just wrote. Okay, so if you look at this, let me say several things. Okay, so if you look at the program, the package statement is left aligned, class statement is left aligned, right? And then your method header will be indented. This shows the method is within the class. And then these statements will be indented. That means these statements are within the method. So this is the formatting. The indentation is extremely important. Make sure you follow these rules. And then these are called documentation. This simply explains what your statements are doing, what the purpose is, and the logic. You are explaining to your reader and to yourself what you are doing. So we call that documentation or comments, right? So you must have that for your assignment, the project assignment you submit. You must have these. Okay, so this is the program, and now you can run. And by the way, if you the Eclipse will automatically compile. So if I misspell a word, look at this. This is misspelled, and then you will have this red symbol. It tells you the system cannot be resolved. That means it doesn't exist. So you know there is a syntax error, and you simply correct it, system. And now it's compiled. So you can simply run. And to run, you can just come here and click run. And okay, so here, right? This is the execution window. That is it, everybody. That's how you compile and run, create and run the program.